नमस्कार। डेली पॉजिटिविटी के डेली टास्क में आपका स्वागत है। 19th नवंबर 2020 थर्सडे। टुडे इज लाभ पंचमी डे. In this video I will be sharing about Labh Panchami, the importance of the symbols used. Early morning Muhurat for Labh Panchami Puja is 6:44 am till 10:28 am. So you have long 3 hours 44 minutes duration to complete your Labh Panchami Puja. Labh Panchami is known as Saubhagya Panchami and Gyan Panchami also. Shubh Labh. So Shubh means good luck and Labh means benefit. Fifth day after ending Diwali, Labh Panchami is celebrated. This is the day when all the business people start their new year or new business also. So most of the owners of shops, businessmen inaugurate their business with a new account ledger. They write Shubh on the left side of the page and Labh on the right, and in between they make swastik sign or satya, which is in the center. So the meaning of swastik is, if you break the Sanskrit word swasti, su plus asti. Su means good or goodwill, well, auspicious. Asti is hai, like it is there, to be. So basically swastik means something which is good luck, fortune, health, success, prosperity, positivity, auspiciousness, and so on. So the first thing that you should do is, after your Lakshmi Puja, open your ledger, or even if you don't have a ledger, you can have a new diary. Open a diary and on the left page write down Shubh, on the right side of the page write down Labh, and in the center make the swastik with the 4 dots. Use red color pen or red sketch pen or red marker pen. If you have a place on your wall near the office next to your cash register, you can write this. If you want to, you can write it on your entrance of the house also. These are all various ways to increase the positivity within you. It's not that by writing suddenly you will start to do your business like Ambani's. It's just that you have to have the positivity with you, especially in the COVID period. Now business has been down for many people, and this is the best way to energize yourself and your business and the people who come to your offices and your factories. How old do you think swastik symbol is? It has been used all across the various continents except Australia, and it has been used since more than 20,000 years. The earliest civilization which started using it was the Saraswati civilization, which is in our ancient India, when Saraswati river was still alive, and I believe it has been mentioned in Rig Veda. So Rig Veda mentions the breadth of Saraswati river as 21 or 22 kilometers in one of the shlokas, and that's how the archaeologists have found how old the Rig Veda is, based on the age of Saraswati river and the number of years after it has dried. Excavators have found, with several markers and indicators, that the time period was 24,000 years. It's found in the shape of pottery, in the shape of coins, in the shape of motifs on various sculptures, and there are proof which also suggests that pre-Christ era, all the Indo-Eurasian continent had same kind of I don't want to use religion, but in English there is no other word, so it's actually dharma, where people were following a particular kind of dharma, which was definitely not Abrahamic. If you look at the map, you will see that though it started in India in the Vedic period, more than 24,000 or 25,000 years. See, 25,000 I'm saying because there is a proof that about it being written in Rig Veda. But definitely people were alive much before to be able to understand the whole thing and be able to write. So we could add actually not less than 5,000 years to that. So could be 30,000 years from today. So it spread from India to eastern side and to the end of even west side up to North America, parts of South America, most of Europe and Africa also. Only Australia seems to be not having as of now any proof of swastik in the form of floors, in the form of tiles on the pillars. During the World War, thanks to the infamous Hitler, swastik again came into popularity, but in a wrong way, because he used it in a different way with black color instead of the auspicious red color which is usually used by Hindus and during the Vedic period. And then he turned it slightly and called it as hooked cross. So it was not that the name was swastik, it was basically known as hooked cross because he was anti-Christian, and for him he wanted to mock Christianity by twisting their symbol or twisting cross. But later on, after the demise of Nazis and Hitler, Christians wanted to move the negativity from Christianity to Hindus. So they started associating the hooked cross of Hitler with swastik and started using it profusely in their media in order to move the negativity from the hooked cross to swastik. Even in India now, thanks to the Mullah Marxist missionary media, swastik has become a symbol of Hindu phobia. Sadly, if you wear swastik and reach Europe, you may actually end up being treated like Islamist terrorists. So be careful. And let me end this video by giving a very positive note that I read in the paper today, that thanks to banning and not doing business with China, the Indian business people have made a profit of 70,000 crore this Diwali. Otherwise, out of this 40,000 crore would have gone to China. Have a Shubh Labh Panchami. धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ हो. वंदे मातरम. भारत माता की जय.